Kim, the super redneck, and this is my truck.
Fuck, that hurts now. Fuck. Holy fuck.
Smells like fucking rubber in there now.
Holy shit, that fucking stinks. So how was that?
Enjoyable.
Is there anything you'd like to say to your fans?
I was in fucking four-wheel drive for most of that. Shitty.
Alright, so this is just want to tell me a bit about the truck?
1980 Dodge W200. Fucking, I think it's all original parts. Non-original tires. You had the blow-off rims. Pair of those. Got some tire chains on the front. Snowplow on the front. Custom-built bumpers on each side. 318 V8 2-barrel carburetor. 3-inch stacks.
You want to pop the hood for us? Let's get a look at that engine. It's fucking deadly. Small block, big block?
Oh, small block. They didn't make big bucks.
Alright. Got some custom parts, I see.
Yeah, custom. Custom. Fucking snowplow. For when you gotta get those fuckers that try and cut you off.
What?
Custom back bumper too.
How much are you selling this for?
9,907 billion.
So I'm assuming it's not for sale. Is it one of a kind?
It's definitely one of a kind. The dual Y, 3-inch smokestacks on each side. And then you got the lights on there.
Got a nice fucking smokestacks.
Yeah.
Get in here.
Truckload of snow, ready for delivery.
Yeah, anybody wants some fucking snow? Nice. Alright, any last words?
Today was a good day.
Straight out of Canada, ladies and gentlemen. Straight out of Canada.
Straight up G.